Starlight, and today we're going to do a DIY. We're going to make balloon rockets. You're going to need a few things. First, you'll need some straws, some string, a balloon, some scissors, and some sticky tape. So, the first thing we do is we get our string and we thread it through the straw. This can be a little bit difficult, so you might want someone to help you. I know that I struggled. But here's one I prepared earlier. So we've got the string connected to the straws and they're on really high objects, so we can fly across. The next thing we do is we get our balloon and we blow it up. I'm using a balloon pump. You can always use your mouse. Now we've got that nice and inflated. We get some sticky tape. I've got this already prepped because it's a little bit hard when your hands have got too many things to do. Now I haven't tied on the end, I'm just holding it really tight. And I'm gonna stick it on to the straw. Now you gotta make sure it's stuck on really, really well. So make sure it's all stuck. There we go. Then you let it go. 3, 2, 1, go! Aw, that was fun. Wish I had someone to race with me.
Oh my gosh, did you say race?
Yes!
I would like to race and I brought my own balloon.
Oh, fantastic! Shall we do it?
Yes, please. So, I need to pump up my balloon.
Pump up your balloon. The sticky tape.
Lots of sticky tape. We'll set some up for you as well.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Oh. Straw. Picked it on.
Oh my goodness, I think I'm going to win.
I don't think so. I reckon I'm gonna win. Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Maybe that's not your thing. You could try this. I've got my balloon and my pump. And this, some cups. But you could use anything you can find. All right, shall we let it go? 3, 2, 1. That was so much fun. Well, thanks guys. See you later.